Sony has launched something completely unexpected, guys. It's their all new PlayStation Portal. Now, when I saw a couple of tweets about it and also some images about the product yesterday night, I was like completely disappointed because I recently bought the ROG Ally handheld gaming console and I thought, Arey, I should have waited a little bit longer because I had no idea Sony would be dropping something like this so soon. But when I actually went to Sony's website and saw the product and read about it, this is not something what I was expecting, guys. It's completely different. So initially my thought was that, you guys remember Sony's PSP PlayStation Portable back in 2007 2008, and after that they came up with their PS Vita. That was the era, guys, golden era, I would say. I really loved those devices. I had them and I really used to play that lot, especially when I was traveling. So I thought Sony might have released something like this handheld gaming console 2023 edition, because when I read the tagline of this PlayStation Portal, right, it said brings PS5 experience to the palm of your hand. So I literally thought it was like a handheld gaming console. But nay, this is something completely different. This is like a remote playable device, more like a companion to your Sony PS5. So let me exactly tell you what it is, because just like me, right, a lot of people like you also might have been confused about those articles and news, and you might have like wrong idea about the product. So in this video I'll give you like full information about this product, and you'll basically get to know what it is and what it can actually do, and also pricing details as well. Before we get started with the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Thoda motivate kar do. Anyways, as I've told you, name of this device is called as PlayStation Portal. Couple of months back only, Sony has started teasing us about this device, and they actually codenamed it as Project Q. And I think around like May or June, couple of months after that, they also give us like sneak peeks and teasers about this product. And finally yesterday midnight they actually unveiled it, and it will be available in the market in the next couple of months. So what exactly it is, if you look at the whole design, right, here's how the PlayStation Portal looks like, and it literally looks like your PS5's DualSense controller with a screen at the center, and that actually gave wrong impression to a lot of people. So this is more like a remote playable device, guys. As I've told you, you actually need to have the PS5 at your home, and using this device you can actually stream the games that you are able to play on your PS5 onto this portable device, and that is how you'll be able to enjoy PS5 games on this accessory. More like an accessory, guys. There is no hardware, there is no CPU, no GPU on the PlayStation Portal. This is simply like a streaming sort of device, put in simple words. So if you look at the overall design actually looks quite interesting. It looks very concept like. So at the center you're getting like a big 8-inch LCD screen. Now Sony hasn't mentioned like what sort of panel or what display they're using. They only gave information like it'll be a 1080p display with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Now 60 Hz in 2023 is a bit bummer because it's a gaming related device, right? So at least 120 Hz would have been really appreciated, but who knows, this might be just the beginning. So that was about the display. And if you look at the joystick, it is literally your DualSense joystick only, guys. The whole design, look and feel, everything is same. Simply put a screen at the center and you'll get the Portal. So if you talk about the overall other features, yes, the Portal also features DualSense haptic feedback and also adaptive triggers as well. From the looks of it, I've seen a couple of videos and looks like size is going to be pretty similar to the ROG Ally only, and I'm not sure about the weight, but a lot of my media friends are saying that it's gonna be like super lightweight, guys, so it won't be that stressful when you're actually gaming. So the main idea behind making this product is simply bringing your PS5 gaming experience at a portable form factor. You can take it anywhere in your home and enjoy gaming even when you're sleeping, or maybe you want to go to your bathroom, and a lot of people actually use smartphones in your bathroom, right? There you can actually play PS5 game also. Or maybe your parents or somebody else is using your TV, that time you can actually stream the gaming content from your PS5 to this portal and enjoy gaming even in your bedroom, guys. So that is the whole goal and idea behind this thing. So how does it exactly work? First of all, as I've told you, you'll obviously need to have like the original Sony PS5 gaming console at your home, and this is more like an accessory, a companion only. So it remotely connects to your PS5 over Wi-Fi, and the brand says that you'll need to have like a minimum 15 Mbps speeds connection to get like best optimal gaming results. If you have like over 100 Mbps, well and good, you'll get like excellent gaming. But again, guys, biggest downside, as I've told you, is it is not like an independent console of its own. This PlayStation Portal can only play games that are already installed on your original PS5. So for example, if there's a game that is not there on your PS5, you cannot stream or you cannot play it on this portal, guys. So that is the biggest downside. And also it doesn't support PlayStation's premium plus cloud streaming service also. That is also not there on this model. If you talk about the other stuff, well, there are plenty of controls over here. Exact layout is same as your DualSense controller only. You're getting all your buttons, even including adaptive triggers at the top side. You also have a volume rocker as well. 3.5mm headphone jack is also there, so you can connect all your favorite wired audio headsets or earphones and enjoy gaming on them. Plus, this time it also supports something known as PlayStation Link, which is used to connect to their all new PlayStation wireless earphones, guys, the Pulse Explore. So from our initial impressions and first look at the product, these were the details I got. Now we still don't have the device in hand as of now, guys. It will be launching and available in the market very soon. So mostly what I believe is it will be available during holiday season, guys. Maybe, around November, December, during Christmas. That is what I am thinking. But yeah, I have to say it is such a wasted opportunity. Sony could have done so much, because you're getting like a literally DualSense controller in our hand. 8-inch touchscreen is also there. They could have just literally done something to make it like an independent handheld console of its own. Like imagine you're getting a PSP 2023 edition, or maybe like a PS Vita 2023 edition, where you could actually play PS5 games, not at 4K, maybe at least 1080p resolution to possible hona chahiye na, because it's like 2023. How sick it would have been, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of people would have went for it if Sony actually made something like that. Anyways, lastly, talking about the pricing details. So PlayStation Portal is priced at around like 199 US dollars. So that would roughly, if you convert it to Indian rupees, I believe it should be available for around 18 or 19,000 rupees in India. So first of all, you'll have to spend like 45,000 rupees for the original gaming console PS5. Plus, if you want something like this, if you want to experience that gaming in your bedroom or something, you'll have to get this accessory. That would be around like 18-19,000 rupees extra. So what do you people think about this product? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Did you people also actually confuse this to like maybe PS Vita or PSP 2023 edition? Let me know down below. Anyways, this is what I wanted to share with you people in this video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I'll be back with a new video very soon.